everyone, it's me, Miss Branch, the art teacher, here with you with quarter 4, lesson 9. And so this is our last lesson of the year. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we get to make a paper plate sculpture. Isn't this cool? So now let me go ahead and switch my pen so that you guys can see what we're going to do. All right, so you're going to have a small stack of the little plates, and you got to be careful. Sometimes they move. That's why my sculpture is falling apart. Uh-oh. I got to slide it back into place. There we go. And you get to draw some designs on the paper plates, and then we're going to kind of put them together like a puzzle. So let me go ahead and move this out the way a little bit so you can see. And you could probably get away with about 6, maybe even 10, just depending on how big you want it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll stop at 6. Maybe I might go to 10 afterwards, but let me just stop at 6. So you're gonna need your oil pastels. And the first thing you're gonna do is draw some designs. You can draw shapes, you can draw cartoon characters, you can draw whatever you want on both sides of the plate. So let's see. Well, you know what? I'm gonna follow these lines on the plate. That's something. You know, it kind of reminds me of a tiger, so I should add in some orange. I should have started with orange, but it's okay. Artists get their ideas by just messing around. Mm. Well, that's interesting. That's what I want to do on the back. I think I just want to do some wavy lines. You don't have to make it all difficult. You could just do easy stuff like just do some line designs. And you can choose how you want to put the color in, or even if it's just one color. Sometimes artists do a whole series of art in just one color. Like I think Pablo Picasso had his blue period where everything he painted was blue. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And green is my favorite color. So you could just make it up as you go. Let's see. I like water. And scout lines remind me of water. But now I'm doing something different. So that's 2. Let's see it since I still have orange in my hand again. I'm gonna do some zigzags. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do some purple zigzags on the back. I'm gonna make the zigzag crisscross. It doesn't have to be all fancy and colorful, but it is totally up to you. You are the artist. You get to choose how you're going to make this work. You know what? Put one little dot of yellow. Just because. So that's 3. 4. Ooh, 4. I'm gonna do a number. That come from number 4, but I'm gonna make it artsy. So it doesn't look like a 4, but still does. But if I add some color in there, you probably forget it's a number 4. Or that it started out as a number 4. Mm. Oop. Oh, my oil pastel fell. I have to get it. Ah, there we go. Ah. Hmm. Oh, a spiral. I haven't done many spirals lately. All right, so that's 4. Let's do 5. Oh, I'm gonna trace around my fingers, make fingers. I don't want to get too close to my fingers because I don't want oil pastel all in between my fingers. That's a cartoon hand because I only gave it 4 fingers. You know what? I'm gonna give each one of these eyes. In both ties. And 6. Now, you probably will probably do way more than me, but I don't want the video to be too long. So I am just going to, ooh, I like that. Ooh, I'm liking that. I just want, ooh, I like the colors. I'm gonna try that again. Orange, red, throwing some peach, maybe a little splash of purple. Actually, I think so. I'm gonna stop here, but you can definitely do as many as you like, probably about 10 or so. But now you get to make little slits by cutting them and then cutting another one, and then you slide the 2 pieces together. Kind of like making Legos out of paper plates, but not good Legos. Those cheap Legos, Mega Blocks, or there's some other one. So let's see, I want this one to go here. So I'm gonna have to cut a slit there. So wherever you want the 2 to connect, you're gonna cut a line and then slide them together. And let's see, I think I want one here. And now I'm going to cut one. And then I'm just going to slide them together. It's cool because the different weight makes it change up. And let's see, I want this one here. I'm gonna cut right here. And I'm gonna cut right here. And then I just slide them together. That actually comes out pretty cool. And you can switch it around because your sculpture has something on both sides. I'll put this one on that side. So slide it together. And there you have a very interesting sculpture. And you can always change it around because it'll always be something different. So let me go ahead and switch my camera. So everyone, we have made it to lesson 9 of quarter 4, and you have made a really cool sculpture out of paper plates. So we got to recycle. We got to use something for a different purpose. And I guess I will see you later in more lessons. Bye everyone. Have a great summer.